Oh wow.
Whoa.
That's cool.
2 COPs.
Yeah. Oh, weird. Oh, sorry. This is bottom drive. C. 11.
Whoa, what?
Yeah, they did.
Montgomery?
Nice job.
It's possible. This thing went through a few mods. As you can see, this thing was birdcage, and then they just added the sheets.
Better than a full cab redo. D.
Let's go begin. So be quiet, I want to hear the motor as we leave this square. Ended up too. Yeah, that looks like a Montgomery door trip. Yeah, it does. It's possible this was the hoist we went to.
Oh.
Are you serious? Very beautiful cab. I think it's still on a winding jump motor.
Probably.
Basement traction, probably. Oh yeah.
Oh, wait, what the hell? What? Does it not?
Oh yeah, it has.
Yeah, yeah.
Took him a while to figure that out.